Starting photography can feel intimidating, especially with so many camera options and technical jargon out there. But the right beginner-friendly camera can make it much easier to learn and enjoy the process. These cameras may not be the most advanced models or what professionals rely on, but they're excellent for building skills, experimenting, and capturing great images without frustration. In this video, we've ranked the top 6 cameras for beginners, highlighting their key features and what you should keep in mind before choosing one. Links to all the cameras mentioned here can be found in the description below. Number 6. Nikon ZFC. The Nikon ZFC is a perfect choice for beginners who care as much about how their camera looks as how it performs. If you appreciate retro design but don't want to sacrifice modern features, this camera strikes an excellent balance between both worlds. At first glance, the ZFC stands out with its beautiful vintage-inspired body. The tactile dials on the top plate are reminiscent of classic film cameras, giving you a more hands-on, intentional shooting experience. Despite its nostalgic appearance, it's compact, lightweight, and packed with contemporary technology that makes it approachable for anyone just starting out. Underneath its stylish exterior, the Nikon ZFC delivers reliable performance with a 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor that captures sharp, detailed images. It also offers 4K video recording, a fully articulating flip-out LCD screen that's perfect for selfies and vlogging, and a solid autofocus system that tracks your subject with ease. One of its biggest strengths is how easy it makes manual controls. Those tactile dials allow beginners to learn exposure settings like shutter speed and ISO in a very intuitive way. However, it does have a few trade-offs to keep in mind. There's no in-body image stabilization, which means you'll need to rely on lenses with stabilization for steadier shots. It also has a modest buffer, so continuous shooting is limited if you're capturing fast action. The Nikon ZFC is best for beginners who value aesthetics and want to learn the basics of manual control while still benefiting from helpful automatic modes. If you want a camera that feels as good to hold as it does to shoot with, this one deserves your attention. Number 5. Nikon D7500. For beginners who want the classic DSLR experience and don't mind carrying a slightly larger camera, the Nikon D7500 is an excellent option. It delivers the solid feel and durability that DSLRs are known for, paired with features that make it easy to grow your skills over time. The design of the D7500 is sturdy and practical, built with weather sealing to handle a variety of shooting conditions. Its deep grip makes it very comfortable to hold even during long sessions, and the button layout feels familiar and intuitive. Although it's larger than a mirrorless camera, the weight is well balanced and reassuring in hand. On the inside, the D7500 is equipped with a 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor that delivers sharp, detailed images with good dynamic range. It can shoot up to 8 frames per second in burst mode, making it capable of capturing action. The battery life is another standout, easily lasting through an entire day of shooting, something that's often a challenge with smaller, mirrorless models. Some of the advantages of this camera include its excellent ergonomics, responsive autofocus system, impressive low-light performance, and the fact that it feels durable enough for years of use. However, there are a few compromises. It's heavier and bulkier than mirrorless alternatives, which may not appeal to everyone. There's only a single card slot, which can be limiting for some workflows. And because it's an optical viewfinder, you won't see exposure adjustments in real time. The Nikon D7500 is best for new photographers who prefer a more traditional DSLR experience and value durability and battery life over compact size. Number 4. Fujifilm XM5. If you're a beginner who loves vivid, beautiful colors straight out of the camera and prefers a compact mirrorless design, the Fujifilm XM5 is an excellent choice. It offers stunning image quality and a highly portable body, making it a strong contender for anyone who values both performance and convenience. The XM5 has a small yet solid body with a stylish, minimal aesthetic that feels premium without being intimidating. It's easy to carry around all day, whether you're traveling, shooting street scenes, or simply learning the ropes at home. The build feels reassuring and durable despite its compact size, and its buttons and dials are laid out cleanly and logically. Inside, this camera packs an impressive 40.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, which produces exceptionally sharp and detailed images. The colors from Fujifilm sensors are renowned, and the included film simulation modes give you a wide range of creative looks straight out of the camera. You can also record high-resolution 6K video, and the advanced autofocus system with subject tracking makes it easy to keep moving subjects sharp. The fully articulating LCD screen is a bonus for selfies, vlogs, and creative angles. Among its strengths are its gorgeous image quality, fast and responsive performance, and surprisingly effective stabilization, which helps keep shots steady even in lower light. Many beginners also appreciate how good the JPEGs look right out of the camera, minimizing the need for heavy editing. That said, there are a few drawbacks. The menu system can feel a bit deep or complex to those just starting out, and it's priced higher than some other beginner-friendly options. The Fujifilm XM5 is best for learners who want beautiful, ready-to-share images without spending hours editing and who appreciate a portable system that can grow into over time. Number 3. Nikon Z52. For beginners looking for a balanced and versatile mirrorless camera that's easy to pick up and start using, the Nikon Z52 is a very approachable choice. It combines excellent performance with a user-friendly design, making it a dependable all-rounder that doesn't feel overwhelming. The design of the Z52 is lightweight and ergonomic with a deep, comfortable grip that feels secure even during longer shooting sessions. The button layout is intuitive, so key functions are always within easy reach, and navigating the menus feels straightforward, even for newcomers. It's a camera you can carry around all day without fatigue, yet it feels solidly built. Spec-wise, the Z52 is expected to build on the success of the original Z50, which featured a 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor known for its crisp detail and natural color rendering. It likely includes faster continuous shooting speeds, improved autofocus with more advanced subject tracking, and 4K video recording capabilities. These upgrades help ensure that it keeps up with both stills and video demands. The Z52 shines thanks to its excellent image quality, speedy and accurate autofocus, and menus that don't require a steep learning curve. The build quality also feels dependable for a camera in this category, making it a solid choice for years to come. A few downsides to consider: it lacks a headphone jack, which might limit more serious video work, and the selection of native lenses for Nikon's Z mount APS-C cameras is still more limited compared to some competitors. Overall, the Nikon Z52 is ideal for beginners who want a capable, well-rounded mirrorless camera that delivers great results without being heavy, complicated, or intimidating. A reliable companion for learning and everyday photography. Number 2. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. For beginners who care about portability, travel friendliness, and steady handheld shooting, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is a standout option. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to take anywhere, while still offering excellent image quality and one of the best stabilization systems in its class. The design is both practical and attractive, with a classic look that feels timeless. Despite its small size, the body feels solid and well-built, with thoughtfully placed dials and buttons that make it pleasant to handle. It's an excellent companion for street photography, vacations, or any situation where you don't want to carry a bulky camera. Under the hood, it's equipped with a 20-megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor that produces sharp and vibrant images. One of its strongest features is the impressive 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which allows you to capture sharp photos even at slower shutter speeds and smooth handheld video footage. The tilting LCD is great for creative angles or selfies, and the camera records crisp 4K video. Battery life is also solid, easily lasting through a day of casual shooting. Some of its best qualities include its outstanding stabilization, very compact and lightweight design, attractive JPEG colors straight out of the camera, and beginner-friendly interface. It's especially good for those who plan to shoot a lot without a tripod or want to keep their kit small and light. There are a few limitations to be aware of. The smaller sensor means it doesn't perform quite as well in very low light compared to larger sensor cameras, and it offers less depth of field control if you're aiming for extremely blurred backgrounds. Overall, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is ideal for beginners who want a portable, easy-to-carry camera with excellent stabilization and strong all-around image quality, a dependable choice for travel and everyday use. Number 1. Canon EOS R10. For beginners who want a fast, responsive camera with excellent autofocus and future-ready features at an accessible price, the Canon EOS R10 is an outstanding choice. It's designed to help new photographers get great results quickly, whether they're shooting stills or video. The EOS R10 has a compact yet solid body with a comfortable grip that feels secure and natural in the hand. The control layout is intuitive, so even those new to photography can find the key settings without frustration. It strikes a nice balance between being portable enough to carry around and robust enough to feel like a serious tool. Inside, the R10 is equipped with a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor that produces crisp, detailed images with accurate colors. One of its biggest strengths is the advanced dual-pixel autofocus system with subject detection, which can track people, animals, and vehicles with impressive accuracy. It also offers fast burst shooting, making it a great option if you want to capture action, and it records sharp 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. Some of the highlights include its blazing fast autofocus performance, excellent image quality, easy-to-use menus, and access to Canon's growing RF lens ecosystem. It's equally capable for photos and videos, giving beginners flexibility to try both without compromise. There are a few limitations worth noting. The camera does not have in-body image stabilization, so you'll need to use stabilized lenses for steadier shots. Its buffer fills quickly during long, high-speed bursts, and while it does offer 4K at 60 frames per second, that mode applies a crop to the image. Overall, the Canon EOS R10 is best suited for beginners who want a fast, modern camera that handles everything from portraits to sports to video, all in a lightweight package that's easy to grow with. That wraps up our list of the top 6 cameras for beginners. Each one offers something unique, whether you're after portability, classic design, fast autofocus, or simply great image quality without the hassle. Take your time to consider what features matter most to you before making a choice. Links to all the cameras mentioned are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments which camera you're planning to start your photography journey with.